Hello, in front of me I've got XIAOMI Scooter Essential. In this video I'll show you how to fold the steering handle. Firstly, make sure that your scooter is turned off and now pull slightly this lever, then pull the whole thing down. Make sure it's not locked here, and now you can fold the whole handle. To unlock it, release this lock, pull the lever upwards, and now you have to pull this lever again and lift. Pull like this and it's done. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.